Say hi to your fans around the world. Woohoo! Sino yung mga nag-champion? Taas kamay. Sino yung mga nag-medal? Hands up! Taas kamay! Palakpak! Lakpo.
Okay, face front, fix your lights. First line, one line. Okay, everybody do 2 steps back. Go. Anak, good. Fix your lights. First line.
Alright, today is Tuesday again here at KDA Almond. So I'm inviting everyone to join our team. So we have a schedule on WF 10:30 to 11:45. And Tuesday and Thursday we have 5:30 to
Everybody forward stand.
6:45 p.m. Alright, so learn the Olympic martial arts of Taekwondo.
Forward stand.
Join us, the winning team, PTS
And
Taekwondo.
then,
Asa!
You say low block. Louder. Low block. Louder. Okay, make sure it's here in front of your knee. Okay. Okay, and then prepare again. Moving forward. Look at my hand. It should be right above. 1. Power. Check muna, low block. Okay, make sure naka-forward stance ha. Prepare. Left arm above. This time I shout na. 2. Forward stance, white belts. Last one. Prepare. Right arm above. And 3. Prepare. Left arm above. And then just turn at the back. And turn. Shout. Don't change your foot.
Left arm block.
Just turn. Ready. Prepare. Follow my hands. Forward stance, smart. Think. Forward stance. Sige lang hand mo. And forward. 1. Shout. Forward. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Power. Prepare. Turn. No block. 3 forward down. Ready. Prepare. 1. Power. Prepare. 2. Right belts. Laging babalik sa prepare. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. No block. Prepare. 1. Prepare. 2. Power. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. No block. This time, high block naman. Everybody high block. Okay? High block. Forward stance. Right block. Kung naman tayo. Forward stance. Laki hand. Okay? High block. One fist. Here. Prepare. Okay? Here. Below naman magsusstart. Below. Change yours. And 1. Power. Prepare. Left arm below. Follow my hand. 2. Power. Prepare. Right arm below. Tama yun. Yan. 3. Prepare. Left arm below. Turn. High block. Power. Prepare. Right arm below. 1. Prepare. Left arm. Good. Prepare. Right arm. Set. Prepare. Left arm. Turn. Last one. Prepare. 1. Prepare. 2. Power. Prepare. 3. Turn. Prepare. Turn. Prepare. 1. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. Okay, middle block. Ready, everybody. Middle block. Forward stance pa rin. And then here. Okay, make sure it's shoulder level. One fist apart from your body. At isang kamay dito sa gilid. Okay, prepare. Right arm. Straight yung isang kamay. Straight. Okay, Iris. Elise. Isang kamay straight. Yan. And 1. Prepare. Left naman. 2. Power. Prepare. Aya, look here. Change foot. Tibay. 3. Prepare. Turn. Now, prepare. 1. Alternate always. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. Prepare. Here naman. Last set. 1. Work. Prepare. 2. Follow the leader. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. Prepare. Right. 1. Prepare. 2. Left. Prepare. Right. 3. Prepare. Left. Turn. Perfect. Prepare for
Okay.
95.
Ano yun?
Turn mo lang.
You're a middle block.
And straight.
You're still confused. Okay, get your partner. Face to face. Face to each other.
Usog. Pera. Ayon. Pera. Partner.
Okay, sit down. Thank you, sir.
Raven. Partner. Okay na naman sa
Correct. What's ready?
Partner. Kayo na lang.
Okay,
Very face. Partner.
guys, it's the most important block sa self-defense. Okay, so middle block, it will defend your body and face. Alright? So you have to do it correctly. Okay? Okay, start with the right. A. See? Preparation. Like that. Make sure your fist facing side. Okay? So when you block, alright? Oh, you follow them. And slow muna. Go. Slow. Yeah. Make sure this one, shoulder level. But sometimes, if somebody will punch you on the face, you have to block face level. But since we're practicing Humse, we're going to practice shoulder level up. Alright? So other hand, left. And this one, not too high. Alright? It's like when you're swearing Panata Makabayan, di ba? Close. Yan. Alright? Then preparation, make it slow. Soft. No power. Ang power doon sa execution ng block. Alright? Relax and shot! Yan. Louder. Kaya kayo. Relax and shot! Alright? So you will do it with your partner. Alright? Oh. Face to face. Let's go. Take it. You count 50 times. Right and left. Open leg only. Open leg. Horse riding stance. So both of you right. You count loud, huh? When you block, you shout loud. Oh, you count. And then, nice with power. With power. Power back. Good. Hands to the side. Lagi na power. Last it. Magante. Okay. Ano yun? Shake hands. Okay. This one. Okay. Balik. Balik. Steady arm. Okay. Apply. Middle block. palm, ha? Target the palm. Right hand, go. Not the wrist, ha? The palm only. You have to make it stop. Go. Now. Okay? Do not hit the wrist, only the palm. Alright? So you have to practice your muscle here. Alright? Alright first. Right. Right only 10 times. Ready? Ready, set. Shout. Bring it back, shout. Right hand only. Head left. Guys, make sure you keep the open hand. Open hand. Okay, you count. Now. Good. Shout. Set. Net. Good. Set. Good. Set. Go. Then. Good. Tapos na po, arm. Ayaw pakita mo sa kanila, paano yung lang. Go. Pabalik. Okay. Hindi yung mag-shot si Aya. Go. Go, ahead. Go. What? With shouting. Parang kick. Again. Go. Louder. Go. Good. Ready, go. Good. Go. Good. Ready, go. 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 Oh, palakpak. Kicks. First line.
Move back. Aya, move back. Stay with your line.
First line. Distance. Ready, stretch kick 10 times stationary. Sample. Go, 10. Stationary. 1, 2, no. Fighting more. Okay? 10 times, then forward. 6 times. Ready? Go! Okay, push up eh. First line, push up. Naked! Miss Boys talaga. Ay naku, parang mga Naked! 10 times, go! 1, sir!
1, sir, 2, sir, 3, sir, 4, sir, 5, sir, 6, sir, 7, sir,
Alert na!
9, sir.
Ready, fight stand shot!
Stop!
Stationary 10. Ready, everything shout. Go!
Stop!
Master! Atakan! Overhead!
Stop!
Forward. 6 times. Go. Shot. Pass. Let's go. All blue belts na. All blue belts. All blue belts.
On the bell. Okay, 5 lang.
Ready. Ready, 4. So dito, guys. Ready. Ready, stand. Shot. Okay, alternate. Stretching overhead, ha? Go. Taas, 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 taas. Down. Down. Forward. Go. On yellow belt. On yellow belt. Forward.
On yellow bells. Forward.
Ready, stance. Ready. Right and left. A straight leg going up. Ready. Right and left. Go. Stretch kick. Go. Down. Go. Sigaw. 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 Forward. Go. Okay. Ready. White belt. Forward. Okay. Raise your hand over your face level. Or you touch your head with your kick, huh? Right and left. 10 times. Ready, you count. Ready, go. Answer. Answer. Higher. Right and left. Divide. Right and left.
Okay,
Right and left. Yeah. Okay, forward. Go. Go. Overhead. Go. Forward. Okay, red brown up. Forward, forward, forward. Okay. Space, 1 up, 1 down.
Ayon, forward.
Guys, back. Okay. Okay, ready? Fighting stance. Ready? In out kick, right and left. Going out. Ready? Go. Out.
Ay, nako.
Again. Push up again.
Ay, nako.
10 times. Front belt na dito. Iwa. Babalik ka sa right belt eh. White belt pa lang, tinuturo na in out na yan. Brown belt na kayo. Ready, start, chop! Ready, go! In out. This girl also. Palabas. Hoy, ikaw.
Eric, in out.
Nakikinig. Higher. Go. Bagal. Last 10. Go. Ay, naku.
Husser.
Bagal. Pass. Higher. Now, forward. Go. Good. See? Guys, remember, you're the senior one. They look up to you. If you're lousy, they'll become lousy.
Lubels, up.
Huh? Ready? Going out. Fighting style. Shot!
1 up, 1 down.
1 up, 1
Line ka
down.
forward. Sabi niya, ito na abante.
Ready? In out, ha? Face level. Ready? Go!
Go, in out.
Please.
After.
Balance. Lamig pa
Go.
mo. Isa pa. Forward. Go!
Abante.
Okay. Yellow belts. First. Ready? Fight stand. Chop. Cut. Oh, going out. Straight leg. Ready? Go. Right
Go.
now. Going out.
Under chest. Second na. Go. Kick.
Straight leg. Straight leg. Go. Straight leg. Straight leg. Go. Forward. Go. Straight leg pa. Straight leg pa.
Go.
Go. Higher pa. Good. Okay. White belt sa loob.
White belts. Let's go. Levi, Aya. Stand up.
Okay, 1 up, 1 down, guys. Go.
Forward ka. Abante ka.
Yan, lagay mo na dito sa gitna. Ay, maliliit. Kung gano'n sa gitna. Dito sa pattern. Okay, ready? Fighting style, shout! Help! Okay. Chase foot. Divide. Yeah. Okay, wala mo ng kick. Knee out lang. Knee out. Knee out lang. Okay, wala mo ng knee out. Right? Walang kick ha. Knee out lang. Right and left knee out. Ready? Go!
Go. Yeah. Shout.
Okay, go forward with kick. Go. Go, kick forward. Go. Higher. Good. Okay, good. Okay, Ren Brown, sit up. Okay, ready. Front kick. Good, good ha. Ready. Stationary, 10. Left forward. Ready. Go. Flip. Flip, flip, flip. Flip kasi flip.
Kamay sa dato
Flip,
pera.
flip, flip. Flip.
Yan, dikit kamay sa chest.
Flip.
Yan, tigas.
Forward. Go.
Yan. Stop, Ray. Stop.
Good. Higher pa. Check your phone on the mirror. Check your phone. Okay, let's go. Move up.
Next.
Guys, tingin kayo sa salamin para makita niyo yung phone nyo. Ha? Ready, 5 stats. Exercise the flip, ha? Flip leg. Ready? Front kick. 10 times. Ready, go.
Sarado kamay. Elijah, sarado kamay.
Five. Pass. Balance. Walang hop. Stop.
Sarado kamay, Elijah.
Good. Flip. Flip, flip. Ayun, flip. Walang flip yung flip mo. Flip mo.
Elijah, kamay mo nakaganon.
Oh, ready, forward. Go.
Sarado. Yan.
Tingin kayo good. Isang more. Huwag niyo ako titignan pag sumisipa. Doon kayo sa salamin. Ay, naku.
Elijah.
Lalo kung pumupogi pagka tinitignan niyo ako. Ay,
Yellow bells.
and what? Go! Guys, front kick ha. Front kick. With snap. Yeah. Right and left. Ready? Go! Next na. Yeah. Shout.
Shout, baby.
Welcome yung body. Contact. Don't jump. You're jumping. Back on the floor. Yeah. Snap it.
Stop, Carlos.
Snap. Snap. Walang si snap. Okay, forward. Go.
Okay, to Jaja. Yeah, stop.
Good. Nice. Okay, white belt up. Okay.
One line.
At least, tummy level ha. When you kick, front kick snap. Okay? Kamay sa chest. Alright? Sino mo galing yung front kick? Ikaw, ikaw. Ay, mas na. Isa. Alright. Ikaw. Yan, yan.
Isa, let's go.
Okay. O, tingnan mo. Pakita mo, isa sa kanila yung front kick. Go. Chop. Yan. Snap. Other leg. Yan. See? Nagkiklip. Chest level lang. Tummy level lang. Go. Tuloy-tuloy. Go. Right and left. Go. Tummy level. Flat foot. Go. Yeah. Flat foot. Okay. O, sabay kayo kaya no. Ready? Sabay-sabay. And with chop. Go. Stop. Pikit mo ganda.
Pikit mo.
Ganda.
That's it. Kaya.
Forward. Go. Chop. Stop mo. Good. Okay, sit down. Come here. Okay. Listen. Ready? Sit properly. Front kick. Minsan nakaganon yung front kick eh. Alright? Pointed. Sometimes naman, ganyan. Or flex. Okay? Make sure, ito lang mo. Full foot. Alright? Then make sure it will clip. Alright? Go, clip. Snap. Alright? Hindi siya stretch kick. You're down. That's wrong. Go, kick. Kuha. Okay, one more round. Let's go.
First side.
Combination. Front kick, roundhouse. Ready, set. Go.
Front kick. Front kick. Roundhouse. Roundhouse. Front kick.
Go. Wala pa sinabing forward.
Roundhouse.
Go. Shout. Shouting. Hindi kayo makapagpapos yan. Hindi walang shout. Out. Go. Okay, forward. Go. Forward. Side body. Side body. Flip, flip, flip. Okay. Lubel. Combination na. Front kick, roundhouse, roundhouse. Alright? Wait. Magaling mag-roundhouse. Ayun, come in. Okay, listen up. Ready for. Okay, ready for. Roundhouse, very important. Point your toe. Nakaside yung body, hindi pwedeng nakaganon kayo pag sumisipa. Nakaside. Alright? Then you clip it. Alright? White belts, listen. After kicking, clip. Okay, down. The other leg, go. Other leg, go.
Roundhouse.
Roundhouse! Go. Roundhouse nga. Go. Snap. Go. Yan. Okay, go. Tuloy-tuloy. Go. Right. Roundhouse. Go. Right to left. Go. One. Shout! Shout kick! Kamay! Kick sa kaki! Go! Okay? Nakaside ha? Okay. Malambot! Ayun sa'yo na ha? Ready? Front kick, okay na. Paano sa picture on the side? Ready? And go! Side body! Yeah, very good. Kamay na! Tuloy-tuloy, shouting! Tuloy sa shout! Hindi kayo matatapos yan. Go! Go! Okay, forward! Go!
Kamay, Elijah, sarado.
Go!
Snap, Roland. Clear.
Yellow belts! Okay, ready?
Carlos Sanok.
Come on, move faster. Go forward, guys. Everybody, yellow belt, go forward. Move forward. Okay, magkikit-kit yan.
Yan.
Ready, fighting style, shout.
Isan.
Okay, front kick, then roundhouse, face target, ha? Dito target, roundhouse. Side your body, pinakita ko na kanina, ha? Then always keep your hands in when kicking. Ready, and go. Front kick, roundhouse. Shout!
Yan.
Shout, front kick, roundhouse, roundhouse. Front kick, roundhouse, roundhouse. Tuloy, shout! Walang shout, hindi kayo matatapos niyan. Go!
Go.
Shouting!
O, Roland Sanok.
Shouting yung mga, yung mga. Go! Okay, go forward. Go forward. Okay, white belts, let's go. Ready, fighting form. Okay. Ready. Oh, good morning. Fighting form, shot. Ready. This time, 45 kick naman. Okay, 45 kick. Ano nila 45? Okay. Sample. Mayumi, stand up. Okay, make sure when you do 45. Okay, right. Shot. Okay, 45 kick. Then, 45 body. Point yourself. Clear. Okay, back in front. Mas kabila. Left. Go. 45. Yeah, okay. Tuloy-tuloy. Go. 45. Shout. Okay, nakaside ha. Hindi siya naka-front. Nakaside yung katawan. Alright? Okay. Alright. No. Okay, adjust. Okay, ready? Everybody, when you start, shout. Out. Ready? 10 times. Right and left. 45 kick. Everybody say 45 kick.
45 kick.
Ready? Go.
Go, 45.
On. Right and left.
Yan.
Move forward. Go. Shout.
Go.
Go. Okay, good. Side Kaya, go forward na. Go, shout, shout, shout.
Kick.
Okay. Go. First go.
Turn.
Ready, pa-stand, shout. Okay. Ready, stand. Side kick, hook kick, hook kick. Right? Sample. Okay, go. Side kick. Side kick. Stationary lang muna. Stationary. Okay, side kick. Shout. Side kick. Full moon kick. Full moon kick. Alright? Ready? And see, jump, shout. Pushing the side kick. Go. Oh, that's it. Tuloy-tuloy. Bagal. Clip mo. Go. Good. Tingin diretso. Tingin doon sa tingnan niyo yung forma sa salamin. Tingin doon. Tingnan niyo kung tama. Go. Go. Okay, forward. Chop. Go. Power side kick. Hook kick. Full moon kick. Go. That's it. Okay, move out. Out. Ready. And sample. Side kick. Go. Yeah. Riding fork ka. Lagyan mo ng step back. Step back. No. Ready. Ready. Side kick. Side kick. Right and left. Ready. Go. Side kick. Side kick. Hook kick. Balance. Hook kick. Oh, ikaw nga. Ikaw. Ikaw. Side kick. Go. Ikaw. Yes. Side kick. Side. Higher. Naku, smiling pa. Higher. Go. Yan. Fighting face. Yan. Yan. Sa likod pa lang galing ha? Sa likod ha? Sa likod. Ready? Set. Yung side kick gusto ko matulis. Face level. Ready? Go! Shout! Ready? Shout! Go! Go! Power! Click! Go! That's it! Power pa! Walang power para nagbabalik lang! Walang balik kick! Yeah! Kick! Nagbalik kick! Go pa rin! Power pa! Go! Power! Go! Ready? Side kick only. Side kick. Side kick, ha? Ganun. Okay. Very good. Look. Just level. Side kick. Look at your foot. Ganyan lang. Okay? At this ganyan level. Clip. And down. Kabila. Go. Yeah. Lagyan power. Check your foot. Make sure on the side. Alright. O, higher naman. Go. Okay, set. Advance. Very important. Huwag masyadong ibababang ganon. Center lang. Alright, look at your foot. Tingin, dun. And clip. Very important. Yan. Alright? Sige, go. Power! This one. Go. 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 Okay. Kita? Palakpak! This side lang. Chest only. Chest level only. Okay. Ready? And check your foot ha. Tingin doon. Make sure nakaside yung harap mo. Yung pad mo. Go!
As your chest.
Right and left. Right and left.
Show.
Check.
Press the chest.
Side. Side. Check your full side. That's 141. Go. Side. Side. Yeah. Your power. Yeah. Check foot. Down. Keep more. Okay, side kick. Side kick. Ganun ba, di ba? Hindi ka ganun ba ganun pa? Boom.
Kamay, asa na yung kamay? Dito siya sa. Yan!
Oh, go. Kabila. Go. Yan. Okay. Palak po. Right there. Okay, at least tummy level. Okay lang. Side kick. Alright? Ready? Ready stance. And tignan niyo yung pali kung nakaside na sa iyo. Ready? Forward. Go. Shout. Good. Right and left. Check forward. Good. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Go forward.
Higher, kick it front. Go, here, in front. Kick here.
Go. Yan. Go. Side.
Okay? Come on.
Check forward. Yo. Okay. Go forward. Go forward. Go. Check. Go forward. Go. Check forward. Check forward. Check forward. Side. Yan. Lift. Left. Check mo yung mga go. Yan. Okay. Ready? First line. Ready? Final stand. Shot. Diyan na. Sampo. Turn 45. Go. Forward. Go forward. Turn 45. Turn run out. Balance. Next foot. Turn 45. Turn 45. Turn run out. Okay. Balik. Tulungan. Oh, sample. Ikoy. Go. Turn 45. Turn 45. Turn run house. Turn run house. Okay. Sit down. Okay. From the 30, 45, fighting corner. Listen up. Yung back leg, punta sa harapan. Go. Mia. Yan. Dapat nandito kayo sa unahan. Itong knee. Before you jump. Kaya jump. Yan. Right? Etong nasa likod, punta sa harap. Huwag mo higa ganon. Sa harap. Are you listening? Okay. And go. Okay. Then, run out. Itatas mo ngayon. Itaas! Taas! Ulit, tatanong ko mataas. Go! Talon mataas, hindi talon lang. Okay. Yeah, go. And go. Okay. Balance. Okay, ready? Up. Dalawang 30-45, dalawang 30 run out, ha? Ready? Set. Ready, start, shot! Okay. Kuha nyo na yung format, ha? Ready? Yung knee sa unahan, ha? Ready? 10-45! 10-45! Pass yung knee! Turn run house! Turn run house, shot! Okay, balik! Balik! Oh, tuloy-tuloy! Tuloy-tuloy! Ready, bounce! Tuloy-tuloy! Chase foot ka, yun! One side lang muna. Ready, bounce! And go! Shot! Go! Go! Hilo lang! Go! Balik! Oh, chase foot! Chase foot! Again, remember the key point. Niya! Sa unahan. And 45. Okay, niya ulit. So, huwag mo dito itatas dito sa unahan. Again, go. Niya! Dito na. Go. kang ganun. Go. Yan. Okay, good. And jump. Side body. Side body. Go. Side body. Side. Yan. Okay. Ready. Withdraw na. Bounce. Para hindi may ino. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Turn for 5. Turn for 5. Oh, talo na mataas. Turn na loss. Turn na loss. Okay, balik.
Sa harap, Bella. Sa harap.
Oh, yung turn na loss, talo na mataas. Oh, ready, bounce. Tuloy-tuloy.
Ikot ka muna.
Ready. And chop, chop.
Yan. Ikot ulit.
Okay, wala pa. Oh, blue belt, out!
Oh, lasing.
Uy, ba't di ka sumasama doon sa...
Oo.
Oh, ikaw lang yung isa. Ikaw, special. Uy, uniform. Oh, chase foot. Turn for 5. Turn for 5. Turn na knocks. Turn na knocks. Okay, wala pa. Ready, go, speed, go, jump. Good. Chase foot. Bounce. Turn for 5. Turn for 5. Turn na knocks. Turn na knocks. Okay, very good. Ready, stop. And chase foot. Tuloy-tuloy. Go, stop. Saka na papunta. Okay. Saka na papunta.
Good.
Dito ka lang, di ba? Oh. Eto lang yung line mo, magpapunta ka dun. Straight. Ready? Go! Speed! Yan! Stay on the mat! Yan!
Stay.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Fight stand. Chop! Okay. Oh, stepping side kick. Stepping side kick. Okay. Oh, come on. Ano yan? Okay, cross leg. Yan, side kick. Okay. Stepping side kick, then balik. Ready, go. Stepping side kick. Snap mo. Go, stepping side kick, go. Good. Release, go. Balik ka na doon. Go. Sama ka dito, ikaw leader. Play ka. Ayan. Ready. Bounce. 5 times. Ready. Go. 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 Chop. Go. Go. Okay, balik. Chase foot. Chase foot. Ready. Mabilis yung snap. Ready. Go. Chop. Go. 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 Okay, good. Ready. Yellow out. Okay, roundhouse stamp, roundhouse kick, bounce. Face target lang, parang 45 kick, pero sa buwa. Alright, right and left. Ready? Side yung katawan, ha? Ready, bounce. Scarlet. Ready, sleep, ready form. Ready, shot. Roundhouse kick, and shot, go! Good. Right and left. Play. Good. Okay, good. Nice, shot. Okay, right left. Stand up. Okay, this time out in kick. Kanina in out, di ba? Ngayon naman papasok. Sampalin nyo ng foot nyo. Okay, 1 up, 1 down. Para hindi kayo magkatamaan.
Forward. Mark,
Dito
forward.
ka, ate. Forward ka. Yeah.
Release, forward.
Forward.
Hipa, hipa.
Okay, ready? Ayan, may instant. Jump. Going inside, ha? O, Jaja, ikaw leader. Pakita mo out kick. Okay. O, ready? Pakita mo. Papunta doon. Out and kick. Jump. Go. Going inside. Going inside. Go. Ituloy. Good. Ituloy. Good. Wow, galing. Okay. Ready? Bounce. Ready? Okay. Bounce. Ready? Yeah. Shout. Go. Pass. Go. 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 level nyo dapat. Face level nyo. Kaya, face stand. Shout! Okay, forward kayo dalawang big boys. Forward na.
Mark,
Yan, ready? Shout ha. Gusto marinig yung shout. Ready? Go! Higher! Over my head. Right stance. Like this. Over my head, huh? Go. Higher. Yeah. Go. Over my head. Yeah. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Go. Over my head. Go. Over my head. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Okay. Good. Okay. Red. Brown. Up. Kumse. Water break naman sila. Wala pa kayo water break? O, chalit mo lang, chalit. Wala pa kayo water break? O, sorry ah. Chalit, Jumne, water break?
Sorry. Dehydrated na. Anong gagawin sa Maiden? Oh my. Sakit ng lips ko. Binom ako
After
tubig.
water break, sit down. Ready to run muna. Okay. Right belt dito. Blue belt, yellow belt this time.
White belt guys.
Okay, sit down kayo dyan sa akin kayo dyan. Okay guys, one up, one down. Sit properly. Cross leg. Cross leg. Sit properly. Okay. Start with type of 5. Julie. Type of 5. Without count. Ready. See. Jump.
Sa sipa. Bend your elbow. Sa sipa.
Up. Roll. Show. Okay. Practice again. Time of 5. This time, time of 7. Sino kapag mag-prepare?
Foodie, tsaka si Jana, si... Wala sa Enzo eh, absent.
So, first and so. You know, para mabilis laban ang dobo, lagay nyo lang sa downy. Hindi planggana, pero yung sa downy. Eh, maglaban ng dobo. Tapos sampay nyo, mapapanahuli yun. Ha? Yung dobo, hindi naman yan, nadudugyan eh. Pawis lang eh. Downy lang, tapos landawan nyo. Life skills yan ha. O, Jubi, matuto kayo maglaban ng on your dobo ha? Jubi, tayo 5, tayo 7. C, jump! belt. Stay there. Tayo 3. Ariel. Panang-pantang. Brother, panang-pantang. Ariel. Tumle. Tumbi. Tayo 3. Without count. Come on yourself. Stay there. Without count, focus tayo 3. C. Chop. Power. Sabay sa leader. Good. That's it. Good.
If
Maro. Show. Yellow belt up. Neta ba? Ay na, lagay mo natin. Okay. At the back of blue belts. White belt. Dito ka sa una. Dito ka sa una.
White belt.
Yellow belt. One straight line kayo dyan. At the back. Stay in front.
Levi, come here in front. Saka release. Faster. In front. Sit down in front.
Okay. With go.
Red. Yung red. Should be. I go once. Wait ka. 1,
Right.
Two.
Power.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Right.
Set. 1, 2,
Power pa. Hit higher.
walking stance lang yan, walking stance. Diretso
Yung
doon.
power yung
3, 4, 5, left, 6. Paro.
Yellow belt.
Turn. Camera.
Okay, yung i-move sa last part yung back leg. Yung nasa likod. Alright? So, shot, di ba? Sa back leg. Ready? Without count. Tumbi!
Ready? C. Jump! Follow the rhythm.
May babalikin sa yellow belt eh. Tingnan po. Pinalimutan mo yung type 1. Memorize!
Left. Left. Baro.
Okay, blue belt. Yellow belt, sit down. White belt, tawa.
White belts. Up, 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 up. Follow.
Okay, follow the high belts. Good count. Position for 1.
Red.
Kaya, come here. Run faster. Ako ha.
First line. Atlas kayo, master.
Memorize your position for 1 ha.
Ready? Yung red.
Preparation.
Should be foundation form 1 with count. Prepare. Left arm above. 1. A. 2. Prepare. Right arm above. Turn 3. Step faster. A. Angat. 4. Prepare. Left arm above. 5. Middle. A. 6. Push. 7. Push. 8. Push up. Come on, change foot. Change foot. Prepare. Left arm above. 9. Cross legs. Turn. No block. Change foot, Iris. A. 10. Prepare. Right arm above. 11, step back, turn, low block. 8, 12, push. Prepare. Left arm above. Change foot, Levi. Going back to the middle. 13, low block. 8, 14, push. 15, push. 16, push out. Levi, change foot. Prepare. Left arm above. 17, cross lunge turn. Low block. 8, 18, push. Change foot, Johan. Prepare. Right arm above. 19, step back, turn, low block. 8, 20, push. No shout, baro. Chariot. Your right.
Okay. Everybody here. Sit down. Okay. So very important. Okay? So we're doing it the forms with purpose. Anong purpose ng pulse? Okay? It's a self-defense. Right? So when you block, okay, make sure you have power. When you kick, make sure it's not. Alright? So yung pag nagpupungsi tayo, don't look down. Always look straight. Don't look down. Like that. Okay? Then stances, make sure this one, hindi siya tumatas na gano'n. Laging flat. Straight. Alright? So like that, if you have time, pag di pa nag-start yung class, you review para ma-develop pa yung skills nyo. Then, there are 2 forms on your belt, 1 and 2. You must master first the foundation from 1. Then, the competition team, you must memorize all. I go 1, 3, 5, 7 for you. Alright? Then always do your stretching at home. Okay? Mga niggling, ganyan, forward, turning, back, lunges, ganyan, tapos kicking. Okay? Especially this one. Push up, wide, diamond, midfield. Alright? Develop your punching power. Naintindihan? Okay? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pauline.
Back to line, original line.
Starting line.
After.
Okay. Sino yung mga nag-medal? Okay, sit down. Oh, galing yung medal niya. What's your medal? So we have a overall champion.
Okay. I don't have to jump. I love it.
Okay.
Support the video.
Gold medal first. Sino yung gold medal? Okay. So, hawak. Pasin down. Malakpan naman yung team. Lagdag gold medal muna. Gold medal.
Ang galing natin. Ang galing natin.
Sino ang gold medal? Ayan. Kayo muna. Gold medal. Yun. Yan. Sexy pa yun doon. Sexy. Ako na mo kami sa pagsyal.
1, 2, 3.
Pagsyal isang kayo ba sa inyo? Fighting. Ganun. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Okay, palakpak sa gold medal. Okay. Silver medal.
Dito, lapit, faster.
Silver medal. Where your medal?
Oh, so.
Okay muna.
Hold your medals.
Sige muna guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Oh, palakpak sa silver medal. Saan yung bronze medalist?
Sarap kayo. Yan.
Silver.
Silver.
Silver. Yeah. Sa gitna kayo. Yeah.
Yan.
Alright.
Salamat ah.
Ito ay silver sa gitna. Kneel down lang. Yeah. Then cross leg lang kayo. Sila yung naka-kneel down. Cross leg kayo guys. Cross leg. Kayo naka-kneel down. Silver medalist. Tapos dito kayo. Okay, go.
Oh, ready?
1, 2. Okay. Okay, palakpak! Okay. So, everybody pull in. Okay. Sit down. Okay. So, I'm encouraging the white belt to get your promotion to the next competition, yellow belt, as join in the other, hindi naka-join. Alright? So, we have a plenty of competition. Okay? So, we have to train hard to absent. Yung body nyo, atake nyo, ha? Okay? Para lagi tayong nasa champion podium. Intindihan?
Then guys, you already know yung mga kailangan nyo i-correct, yung mga mistakes nyo. Please, practice, ha? Practice hard. So, sa mga nag-bronze, okay, there's a reason bakit tayo natalo. Broken sa power, kulang tayo sa taas sa sipa, yung ball foot. So, we need to improve that. So, we practice that. So, understood. Okay, so we have our next competition on June 8. Okay, so June 8, please, okay, register na kasi magpunan mo naman masasaladukan na naman tayo.
Gusto ko,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
Kamanawa, join also.
Yes. Ang venue sa Nova Desi. Okay.
Alright? Okay, finish.
Everybody, turn it. Turn it. Over there. Turn it. Balo. Turn it. Pwede ka. Turn it.
Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. Okay, dito na. Dito sa line. Medalist. Alikod kayo. Yung white pants unahan, cross leg.
Go, 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 go.
Yung nasa cross leg. Sit down. Face there. Face there. Cross leg. Cross leg. Sit down. Okay, ganyan. Bukan na lang sa mga. Okay, cross leg.
Cross leg. Cross leg. Go, sir. Very
Kami niya na dyan. Ayan, yan na si Ma'am Nanisa. Okay, let's go.
Give it space.
Space. Yan. Okay, go. Number one. Number one.
One, two, three. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Okay, video. Ready, video. Ready. Ano?
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Can I have my water bottle? Sa akin ka mo. Hindi ka na nag-iisip eh.
Welcome, ha?
Hindi, mati ka nag-training!
Oy, Joseph! May training ka bukas?
Hey, yan na. Picture, please. Gold medalist. Yung pag gold medalist. Gold medalist. Nasa may gold medalist. Sino yun? Sige, ito ba natin?
Taekwondo din yan. Yellow dot yun, di ba? Bakit chef training?
Ah. Kaya, namatay.